Hindi, may sa akin, super bubats. Nagkaroon ng cycle na super bubats.
May camera. Ito na yan, mas malaki. Ito yung maliit, Sir Derek. Ito yung
DJ sa radyo.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yung back during the day. Binan niya yung Montes kaya hindi natapos yung round. Ito sa crazy, ano.
Why?
I don't know why he had it. Grade school pa lang kami nun.
Parachute, LC.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Remember that. Yes, yes. Tapos yung coffee shop, tsaka yung ulit na po. Ito na yun, tawid lang, pwede ko lang arin. Ano ba rin? Dark Storm,
Seaweed Earthquake, Exildar, Sindar. May ano, shit. Yung kalaban ni Sindar yan eh.
Mag-isa si Sir Derek dyan, joining Derek up on stage today.
Kasi ever since bata ako, I'm into toys na talaga. Unfortunately, I started hunting. Puro robots muna. Lahat ng puro anything related to robots. Then, doon pumasok yung passion ngayon na
So hobby, and not just only the gadgets or collections of figures, but also maybe something Earth related or maybe.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all three of you. Thank you, Sir Alcindor. Thank you, Sir Jazu. Thank you.